What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Chicken Tube back out with another video on the show Untitled Days to Do, guys. In this video, we're going to be opening up 275 plus pro packs. But if you guys haven't already, make sure to hit the subscribe button and to like the video if you haven't already. Turn my post notifications on so you don't miss any of my videos. Today's post notification shout out. Give that to NMG Plays. If you guys want a post notification shout out, all you have to do is the very first person to comment on any one of my videos. Without any further ado, so we have so many pro packs. It's 275 plus. If you scroll all the way to the bottom now, we have two of these season record packs. We're gonna open these up first because I just got them. Oh my gosh, that's a really good pull. It's a pretty nice pull. I'm not gonna lie, out of a season record. That's okay. Okay, guys, so I cleared my bench before this, so I don't really have any space. Like, if I go to my items, it says I have 31 items. So we might have to clear our bench like once, but yeah, let's get to this. We'll open up two first. So one, we get Pat Mahomes, and two, here we go. Open up. I'm gonna scroll not to the bottom, but scroll pretty far down. Okay, so it says update team. I thought it would, but I'm gonna check if I pulled any Andrews and game codes afterwards. You guys probably saw what I got, so we're just gonna check. Okay, slowly. Going to the elites. Okay, next one should be elites. Alright, this row should be elites. This row is gonna be. Oh my god. This row? Yeah, this row is really. Okay, that's the first row. Slowly. Very slowly, guys. Okay. Not seeing too many things. Okay. That's an update. I don't know how that's an update. Probably because of power. Again, I stole 19, so wouldn't be too surprising. Found a couple updates rather odd. Could get Desmond King. End of the game. Coming up on the good stuff. Oh my gosh, let's go! 3 team of the years. 2 of these. Holy crap, that's really good. Shoot. I mean, no 99s, but crap, that's good. Okay. Oh. I knew it was gonna happen. Don't tell me it wasn't gonna happen because I knew it was. At all. Okay, that should be good. Now. Oh my god, we didn't even open a fraction of them. Okay. Let's do this. Go down, go down, go down, go down, go down. Okay. Update team once again. There's not as many here, but we're just gonna scroll up. And we pull a 99. Let's go! We got a 99! And a Zach Martin! Oh my god! Holy crap! We still have space! Bro, this is insane! Holy crap! I'm gonna get some more coins after this. Holy crap! That's really good. Let's just get rid of some of these. Because I have a ton. Oh my god. Look at all these elements. Don't have a ton more, I don't think. But yeah, guys, I'm gonna get some more pro packs because our luck is insane. Alright, guys, so I just saved up some more pro packs, but we pulled 2 Andrew Van Ginkles so far. See if we can pull any more. Yeah, let's go. Make sure I'm recording. Open all. Let's update things. This is so many. I thought it was only going to be 275 375 plus. I think it was like 315 plus. So that's really insane. And at the elite. Ooh, that's a cool card. Okay, if I can pull a team of the year, I'll be fine with that. Or I am hoping that's the number updates. Okay. Okay. So we didn't pull diamonds for the Tevin Coleman, and we did pull this John Ross, which that's a pretty cool card. Okay. So yeah, guys, that's pretty much gonna be it for this video. We pulled the diamonds that we pulled are this. No, and this. So we pulled 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 diamonds, if I'm right. If I traded all of these in for trading points, I would get like about $500,000. But I'm not gonna do that. I'm probably gonna sell these. I don't even know what I'm gonna do. These I'll probably just trade them for Mad Max badges, and yeah. So that's gonna be it for this video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. If you did enjoy, make sure to like and subscribe. Until next time, peace out, guys.